students, in your previous class you learned how to find the letters present in the problem. Now let us do some problems of your exercise 1.1. Come to your first problem. See children here, 3a plus 25 become b2. In this problem, now let us find the value of a and the value of b. Look at here. The 5 is add with a number. It is the number that takes the 2 present in the unit place. 5 add with a number that is a number that takes the unit value is 2. Here the number is maybe 12 or 22 or 32 and so on. Now let us first check out to 12. How much is add with 5? It gives the 12 s. 7 is the number that add with 5, it gives 12. Now substitute in place of a is 7. 7 plus 5 is become 12. 2 is already there. Put 1 carry here. Now 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. We got here the value of b. Now, the value of A is 7, the value of B is 6. These two are suitable for our problem. Next, we come to second problem. See children, here also addition is there. Observe here, A add with A, it gives the number, that number is having 3 present in the unit place. A plus 8, it gives the number. Here, let us guess the number. The number, it may be a 13, 23 and so on. Now, let us first check out to 30. How much is add with 5? It gives the 13 s. 5 is the number. Add with 8, it gives 30. Now, substitute this 5 in place of A. Here, 5 plus 8 is 13. 3 here already there. Put the 1 carry here. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 9 become 14. So put here 4, here 1. Now the value of A is 5. The value of B is how much? 4. Next the value of C is 1. A is 5, B is 4 and C is 1. Okay children, now come to your third problem. Here multiplication is there, you know. See here, A multiply with A, it gives the same number in the product of unit place. Now, which are the numbers take? Now guess here, 0. 0 is a number and 1 multiply with 1, it gives the same number in unit place, and our 5 and our 6. Now substitute 1 by 1, it gives the product that is suitable for our answer or not. Now put here first 0. See children here, we put 0 here. 0 multiply with anything, it gives the product is 0. So here guessing of our 0 is wrong. Next come to 1. Put here 1. See children, 11 ones are 11. That is not gives our product. So here 1 is also wrong. Next number is 5. Substitute here 5. Now observe here, 15 5s are how much? 75. But the product takes here 90 something. That's why our 5 guessing is also wrong. Next we come to 6. 6. Here also 6. Now 16 6 are. See here children, 6 6 are 26. 6 here, 3 carry, 6 ones are 6, 6 plus 3 become 9. S. When we put the 6 in place of A, we get the product that is 96. Now, the value of A is 6. This is suitable for our problem. Next, we come to fourth one. Observe here, AB add with 37, it gives 6A. In this problem, we have to find the value of A and B. Look at here, the first column of this problem, B B plus 7 it is the A. In this column, the two letters are there. It is tough to find two letters in the same column. That's why now let us go to the next column. Observe here, A plus 3 it gives 6. A plus 3 it gives the 6. Now the value takes by the A is 3. See children here, the value of A is 3. But in this 3, 2 is the number and 1 is must a carry. 1 is must a carry number. So now the value of A become 2. Now substitute this 2 in our solution in place of A. See here also 2. See here also 2. Now let us find the value of B by using the value of A. See how much is add with the 7. It gives the number that takes 2 in the unit place. How much is add here? 5. 5 plus 7 it gives the number 12. Now substitute this 5 in place of B. Now let us check out once again. 5 plus 7 become 12. 2 here. 1 is a carry here. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 become 6. Now for this problem, the value of A is how much? 2. The value of B is how much? 5. Next, now come to your fifth problem. See children here, this is a multiplication problem. AB multiplied with 3, it gives the number CAB. Look at children here, the number multiplied with 3, it gives the number that takes the same value in the unit place of our product. Now let us guess here, the value of B is 0. The value of B is 0. Put here 0 in place of B. Next, let us choose the value of A. See here, the A multiplied with 3, it gives the number that takes the same value in place of the A. Here, the number is guessing. That number takes the value 5. 3 5s are 15. Observe here, the product takes the same number in the unit place. So, children, put the value of 5 in place of A. 5 here, here also 5. Now let us find the value of C by multiplying. 3 with 0, 0. 3 5s are how much? 15. Here already 5 right here. Next, the number remaining is only 1. Now look at once again. 53s are 150. Here the value A is how much? 5. The value B is 0. Now the value of C is 1. These are suitable for our problem. Children, next we come to sixth problem. See here, the multiplication problem is there. AB multiplied with 5, it gives the number CAB. Now let us find the value of A, B and C in this problem. Now let us choose the B value is 5. Put in place of B is 5 using our previous common sense and knowledge. And next, the value of A is 2. Substitute here 2. Now multiply with 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 here 2 carry. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 become 12. Observe here, the value of B is same as here also, and the value of A is here too. Here also A is 2. Now our guessing number B is 5 and A is 2. Both are suitable for our problem. Next we come to seventh problem. Observe here, here also multiplication problem. 6 multiply with a number stands AB that gives the product 3-digit number B, B, B. Here also we guess the value of A and B using our previous common sense. A as 7. Substitute here 7 and b value is 4. Substitute in place of b. Now do multiplication here. 6 4s are 24. 4 here 2 carry. 7 4s are 42. 42 plus 2 become 44. Look at children here. The value of b in the product, it takes the same value 4 4 4. Okay. Here observe our guessing. The value of a and b both are correct. Now come to your 8th problem. See here, your addition problem is there. 1 is add with b, it gives the number, that number is having 0 in the unit place. Like this. 1 plus b is equal to a number that takes the 0 in the unit place. How much is add with 1? It gives the 10 value s. 9 is the number, it add with 1, it gives the sum is 10. Now substitute this b value in the solution. Here b is there, so put here b value and observe in the sum also b is present. Now substitute the same b value here also. Now do sum. 1 plus 9 become 10. 0 here, 1 carry. Look at here children. 1 plus 1 become a 2. How much is add with the 2? It gives the 9 s. 7. 7 is the number. Add with 1 plus 1. It gives 9. Listen once again. Here 7 is add with the 2. It gives the number 9. So now the value of a is 7. I already take the value of b is 9 and the value of a is now 7. Next, 9th problem and 10th problem, do yourself. Take these two as your homework problems. The divisibility test. Now let us come to first one. Divisibility by 10. According to this rule, the number is ended with 0. Such number is divisible by 10. Otherwise, the multiples of 10 is completely divisible by 10. See children here, for example, 10, 100, 200, all are multiples of 10. Otherwise, they are 0 in their unit place. Now let us do division process here by taking the example 350. 10, 3s are 30, 50 is remaining, 10 5s are 50. Look at here, the remainder is 0. In this way, the number is ended with 0, such number is completely divided by 10. Without the division process, by using this rule, we can easily tell the number is divisible by 10 or not. Next, we come to divisibility by 5. According to this rule, the number is ended with 0 or 5 or if the ones digit of a number is 0 or 5. Such are completely divisible by 5. Otherwise, multiples of 5, those numbers are completely divisible by 5. For example, 5, 10, 25, 255 and so on. Look at carefully. These numbers either end with 5 or 0. Such are completely divisible by 5. In this way, we have to use these rules for solving some problems. Now let us do problems according to divisibility by 10 and 5. See, for example here, the first problem, if the division n divided by 5 leaves a remainder of 3, what might be the ones digit of n? Look at children here. Here, what is asking? There is a number. That number is divisible by 5. It leaves the remainder of 3. And the number must be a one digit number. That means a single digit number. Here, this problem is based on divisibility by 5. So now let us take multiples of 5 such as 5, 10, 50 and so on. Look at here. The possible case of taking the single digit number is only 3. Here in the problem already told n is the number that is having only one digit. That's why here we have to take 5 is the number. 5 is add with 3, it gives a number 8. This 8 is divisible by 5. Yes, 8 is divisible by 5. 5 ones are 5. Here 5. 3 is remaining. Look at children here. Remainder is 3. But 3 remainder is coming from our number 8. Now n is the number that takes the value 8. The same problems present in your textbook of the page number 9. All of you do those problems yourself. Take those are your homework problems. Dear students, now come to divisibility by 2. The number is ended with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Such number is completely divisible by 2. This rule states that the number is ended with either of these one number. The number is divided by completely by 2. See for example here 22, 938 and so on. The number is ended with any one of these. Those are completely divisible by 2. Now let us do some problems based on the divisibility test by 2. Children, look at here. If the division n divided by 2 leaves no remainder, that means there is no remainder, 0 remainder is coming, what might be the ones digit number? Here, now let us choose the number n. N is a single digit number. N is a single digit number. And according to the divisibility by 2 rule, the number is ended with 0, 2, 6, 8. Now let us take multiples of 2. 2, 6, 4, 8, 10. N stands a single digit and it leaves a no remainder. Observe here the remainder is 0. That's why no number is added with any one of these. It gives a 0 remainder. See children here, 2 divided by 2, it leaves 0 remainder. In the same way 6. 6 is divided by 2, it also leaves 0 remainder. In the same way 4 and 8 also. 4 and 8 also leaves 0 remainder. Here the n is the number of single digit. That's why here n may be 2, 4, 6 or 8. Come to second problem. Suppose that the division n divided by 5 leaves a remainder of 4 and the division n divided by 2 leaves a remainder of 1. What must be the ones digit of n? Here in this problem, 2 rules are used. One is divisibility by 5 and another one is divisibility by 2. Now let us first find the number divided by 5 which leaves the remainder of 4. Here n is the number. There is a condition. That condition is n is a single digit number. N is a single digit number. So now let us take here the multiples of 5. 5, 10 and so on. Here the first part of this question is division n divided by 5 leaves a remainder of 4. Now let us take the possible case of taking the number is only 5. 5 plus 4, it gives the number 9. It is divided by 5. 9 divided by 5. 9, 5 ones are 5. See children, here it leaves the remainder 4. Here the number is 9. N stands how much? S. 9. The first half part of this question is completed. Now come to the second half part. See here, division n divided by 2 leaves a remainder of 1. What must be the ones digit of n? Look at children here. Here also we have to select the number that leaves the remainder of 1. See children, here we take n is a 9. Now check out divisibility by 2. 2 4s are 8. It leaves the remainder 1. Look at here, the one value is 9. In this problem, both rules are used. Here the number is 9. Children, till now we discussed about divisibility by 5, 10 and 2. I hope that all of you understood. Now come to divisibility by 9 and 3. According to this rule, the sum of a digit of a number is divisible by 9. The number is also divisible by 9. As you know that the number contains the digits, the sum of those digits is divisible by 9. The number is divisible by 9. Now, let us check out this statement by taking the example 108. Look at here all of you. Now let us do first sum of the digit of a number. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 8 become 9. 9 is divisible by 9. As it gives the remainder 0 according to this statement. Now let us do verification by as usual our division process. Let us take the number 108 is divisible by 9. 9 ones are 9. 18 is remaining. 9 twos are 18. It gives the remainder 0. See children here, according to this rule, the sum of a digit of a number is divisible by 9. As it gives the remainder 0, the number is also divisible by 9. Now let us divisibility by 9. Without doing the division process, we can easily tell the number it is divisible by 9 or not. Here, in the same way, the divisibility by 3 also states that the sum of a digit of a number is divisible by 3. The number is also divisible by 3. Now let us check out divisible by 3. Take for example here 294. Now let us do first sum. 2 plus 9 plus 4. The sum become 9 plus 2 11. 11 plus 4 15. See children here 15 is divisible by 3. Yes. 15 is completely divisible by 3. Now let us do verification by using as usual our division process. See here 3 how much are possible? See here 3 nines are 27. 2 here 4 comes down. 3 how much are possible? 3 6 are 24. Look at here, it also leaves the remainder 0. See children, the sum of a digit of a number is divisible by 3. The number is also divisible by 3. Children, now let us do some problems based on divisibility by 9 and 3. In your textbook, take example 5th one. Here, what is asking? Check the divisibility by 9. See children, now let us check out divisibility by 9 for this number. See, the number is like this. This number is divisible by 9 or not. According to the rule of divisibility by 9, first we do the sum of a digit. 1 plus 5 plus 2 plus 8 plus 7 plus 5. Now do sum. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 7 become 23. 23 plus 5 is 28. See here, the sum is 28. Now, this number is divisible by 9? No. The sum is not divisible by 9. So, we conclude that the given number, that is not divisible by 9. Not divisible by 9. Now let us go to another example. Look at children. If the 3-digit number 24x is divisible by 9, what is the value of x? In this problem, there is a statement. The 3-digit number is divisible by 9. 3-digit number is 24x is divisible by 9. What is the value of x? Now let us find the x present is number. According to divisibility by 9 rule, the sum of a digit of a number is divisible by 9. The whole number is divisible by 9. By using the statement, now let us find the value of x. Now do sum first. 2 plus 4 plus x is equal to 9. Let us take the multiple of 9. See here, 2 plus 4 becomes 6 plus x is equal to 9. Now the value of x become 9 minus 6 is 3. The value taken by x is 3. 3 is the answer for this question. Next, we come to example 7. Here, check divisibility by 3 for this number. According to the divisibility by 3 also, the sum of a digit of a number is divisible by 3. The whole number is divisible by 3. Now let us do first sum. 2 plus 1 plus 4 plus 6 plus 5 plus 8 plus 7. Now do sum. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 6 13, 13 plus 5 18, 18 plus 8 26, 26 plus 7 33. Is it 33 is divided by 3? Yes. 33 is completely divided by 3. It leaves the remainder 0. Yes. The sum of a digit of a number is divisible by 3. The whole number is divisible by 3. So we conclude that the number, the given number is divisible by 3. Students, till now we solved some problems based on divisibility by 9 and 3. Now let's come to our exercise problem. Exercise 1.2. In this exercise, the first problem is if 21y5 is a multiple of 9 where y is a digit, what is the value of y? In this problem, we have to find the value of y. The problem is based on divisibility of 9. See children, the number is 21y5 is a number, is a multiple of 9. Here the multiples of 9 is completely divided by the 9. That's why here we have to use the rule divisibility by 9. According to divisibility by 9 rule, the sum of a digit of a number is divided by 9. The whole number is divided by 9. First, let us do sum. 2 plus 1 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to a 9 and multiples of 9. Look at here, in this problem, the statement is given by here y is a digit. Y is a digit. So children, now possible case of choosing the multiple of 9 is only 9, not 18 and further numbers. See, now let us take only the sum is 9. 2 plus 1 plus y plus 5 is equal to 9. Y plus 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 2 is 8 is equal to 9. Y takes the value is 1. For this problem, the value of y is 1. So, the number become 2 115. This is the number is a multiple of 9. Now let's go to another problem, that is the third problem in your exercise. Do second problem of this exercise yourself, take such as a homework problem. Now come to third problem. Here if 2,4x is a multiple of 3 where x is a digit, what is the value of x? Here this problem is based on divisibility by 3. According to the divisibility by 3, the given number, the sum of a digit of this number is divisible by 3 is the number is completely divisible by 3. See children, 2,4x. In this number, now let us find the value of x. Now apply here divisibility by 3 rule. According to that rule, the sum, let us do first sum. The sum of a number, it gives a number, that number is a multiple of 3. Here multiples are 3, 6, 9, 12 and so on. Look at children here, the multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12 and so on. But in this problem, take the sum 2, 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus x is equal to 3, 6 plus x is equal to 3, x is equal to 3 minus 6. Look at children here, the value of x takes minus 3. That's why here this is not possible. So our taking the sum 3 is wrong. Now let us check out to 6. 2 plus 4 plus x is equal to 6. 6 plus x is equal to 6. Now the x value is 0. So the one of the x value is 0 now. Now take the sum of is 9. 2 plus 4 plus x is equal to 9. 2 plus 4 is 6 plus x is equal to 9. The now x value will become 3. Another one, the x value is 3. Now next take the sum is 12. 2 plus 4 becomes 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. X value become 12 minus 6. X is equal to 6. Now let us take the sum 2 plus 4 plus x is equal to 15. 6 plus x is equal to 15. X is equal to 15 minus 6. X become 9. Look at children here. Minus 3 is not fit for our answer. The next value is 0 and the next values are 3, 6, 9. For this problem, the x value is 0, 3, 6 or 9. These are the values suitable for our number. The number may take in presence of x, put 0, the number become 240. In place of x, put 3, the number become 243. In place of x, put 6, the number become 246. In place of x, put 9, the number become 249. In this way, we have to solve the problem by using the divisibility test 3. Dear children, till now we discussed the exercise problems. The some problems are remaining in your exercise. Take such are your homework problems. Students, the chapter is completed now. In this chapter, we have discussed so many concepts such as generalized form of a number, the letters present in the problem, how to find the letters present in the problem, and some games related to number, divisibility test of 10, 5, 3, 9 and some problems related to divisibility test. Okay, I hope that all of you understood properly. Thank you.